come on, da 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 da. You can da 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 na 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 na. Na 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 na. You can't beat on my you can't. Felicia said I'm gonna kill you all. Oh, so I'm gonna kill you. Oh, son, I have enough of this. Today, we're gonna get you to this door. I'm gonna punch you in the face. But if it costs more to again, I'm gonna kill you today. I have enough of you all the time. If it isn't, then you get on. Today is a last day of spring break. And today we be doing 10. We have school to the last day of school. And also, and I'm gonna do all the challenges among us. And get to school because I won't kill you if you don't go to school. Better luck, Tiger. Yes, it's time to go to school. It's school time. And also, I will kill you if you don't even do it. And yes, it's April Fool's Day. So I will kill you all. So if you don't go to school, yes, you have to go get to school. I don't want to go to school. It sucks. Another drama. I will prank you all. It's already school time. I will kill you if it's just about the kids there. Shut up, it's just a good user. I will kill you. I just really want to kill you so bad. Because you're causing trouble. Even you're now causing another drama in the city. Now you make 2020 worse and this 2022 worse. And now we have to wait another year because of you. I don't hate you for good. I will kill you. I want to kill you so badly. You have to go to school. I hate you. I kill you so badly. God, you stupid, I hate you. Let's go. I will kick you. No. Y-A. Even do it. Dingus, kitty. For refusing to go to school. You take this, wife. What? No. It's just kidding. April Fools. We don't have to do this anymore. No. Oh my goodness. At least it just can't be girls in there. That'd be a boy. Hold off. Nagado. But anyway, today's the last day of school. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at. Oh, hello there. We're in a school bus. But we're just kidding, because I would just go to school today. And also, I'm just gonna punch you in the face. We're coming here. And also, we're just gonna punch you in the face. And I'm gonna punch you. And I will punch you in the face, and I want to use you idiot jerk, idiot brat, and all that. You stupid little brat. I hate you for that. And I'm gonna do that because it is God dang it. You're trying to get so many words, but you're trying to wake me up. Yeah, even I agree, but I don't think about this. I don't think about the situation here. No. I guys, I will punch you in the face and I will just release the teddy bear on you. What is the teddy bear? I will destroy your teddy bear. You can't the teddy bear. Yeah, come on, teddy bear, beat them up. Oh, that's it. Oh no, this is just fighting. Hey, no fighting. Come on. Let's get Nagano. I have to all got out the school bus. Shut up. Fine. No. Okay. Fine. Shut up. Don't erase them because you have to be very careful if you erase them. Because I like the user. Oh wait, you know what? Fine, okay. Oh, I got an idea. This intro was being made by. I'll make this intro. Well, first of all, I have to make that intro. And also, you got pranked, huh? This is not an April Fool joke. I will punch you. Please! You do stupid, I'm going to punch you in the face. Just shut up and die. No, I don't want to. Na 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 na. Let's do marshmallow. Everybody got out the bus. Get out the bus. Get out the bus and go to school. Okay, schooler. Alright, school buses. I will get as much as at school. It's school time, and also, you don't have to be late for school. This is really the school bus. This is the original, and also, we're gonna be here today. I'm also your teacher, I'm always your teacher. Because I will be your teacher for today. Ho 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 ho. Because I might be the teacher today. An announcement, and also, I will gonna punch you in the face if you don't shut up. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh my god, this is very serious. And if we go to RB, go there, this is your fault. No. This is the. You know, I was just gonna come on. Get out of here, murderer. Fine, fine. I'm gonna get out of here. Have a bad spring break. Mrs. Mishy. Hello, guys, class. It's today. You know what today is? The first day of school. Today, not the April Fool's. It's not the first day of school. It's the last day. Almost, but kinda, cause it's almost spring break. But today we're doing a test, big exam. Just like last year. We did last year. Now we're doing like this time. Super extremely worst, biggest, very big test you have to do. Very fast. Like the hardest test ever. And you're not gonna know. Very hard test, but harder than it because you better know everything about it. I have to know. You have to know. So let's do work. Now, then test out your test. You stupidest test. Alright, it's test time. Now, we're going to go talk to that PE gym teacher. What are we doing today? Oh my goodness. This is so serious. No. Crap, I forgot it. Dang it. Darn it. No. This is super seriously. And also, I'm going to punch you in the face. But if you just no. I can't wait to do this. No. I wish I could be struck in that day again. I was going to do because I did it. Okay, you just gotta shut up. What the hell? No, so you can just get city. What the heck? What's that about? What the heck? April Fools. Alright, this is so enough of this. I have enough of all the teachers. Just sit down and leave it up. Leave it another. No, grab it for goodness. Don't eat it. No. This is so serious. Ah, my God, this is something. Oh my God, this is so serious. If you go to all the time, and then the channel just Among Us stuff. And I say the team into my girlfriend, huh? I just go to serious, huh? No. Get out of here. Out of here, Cyrus. Oh my God. The Fall Guys. This is all your fault, guys. Stop bullying me. It's getting annoying on me. Seriously? You just kicked him to the principal office because of you. Because it's only got all your drama here to do. You know, that's enough of that. No. I don't think you did it. You did it. It's 5 plus 9. Test. No, I got it wrong. This is not there. No. Don't even tell me I got it wrong. If I got it wrong, I will kill myself. No. This is very serious. I don't want to get it wrong. Come on, please. Come on, Celeste. We had the early Mitchell. 1 p.m. Yes! This is... Whoa. And also, I know, guys. This is so exciting. And also, woo! I agree. It's a April Fool's, even the last day. You jerk, idiot rats. I'm about to leave you. And I'm going to cause trouble again. No, there's an April Fool's. I'm not going to cause trouble. Nah. I'm going to cause trouble again. April. Fools! April Fools! This is really serious! Oh my God, this is so funny! This is enough! Stop it. I will kill you always. This is it. What? What is it? What is it going to do us?
No pongas este sofá así, porque tapas el aire ahí. Ponelo de este lado. Así.
No. This is so serious. I'm going to kill you. 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 Nah. I'm not gonna thank you. And look at all this shit. Oh, is that right? Nah. Darn it. No, I can't do it anymore. This is so seriously. Oh, what the heck is going on? I'm going to another class. Oh, this is getting real serious. Yeah. What the heck is going on? Oh my goodness. This is the reason. Listen, I'm gonna bet. Those three are very in trouble. They're very in trouble. Come on. Let's find them.
Oye, pero aquí está frío, creo. Ya no me abrí la puerta. Él dijo que tú abrir la puerta siempre. Oye,
Oh, yes.
voy a ir a...
So fools. Go to the principal office right now. What? Hey. Anyway, this is funny. This is super funny. This is getting funny. Wait, oh yes, I got a chipped in. Oh, because of that, I'm gonna go. Come on. That's a club. That's a lie. What's going on? Shut up, Beefy. Get out of here. No, I look guys, I'm out of here. Why are you here? Miss Sarah, get out of here. This is our classroom. You don't have to tell us what to do. You don't have to tell what the freaking to do. Get out of here. Get out of my classroom. Get out. Hey. What the heck? You're back. Get out of here. I told you to get suspended forever. But I'm sorry. I think it's just an accident. I told you you're suspended forever. Like I spelled it. Get out of here. Have a bad spring break. Shut up. Word, she really learns. I agree. When she learns. You never cheat in a final exam? No! This is so funny ever. If you do April Fools! Yeah, I agree. I'm Milky. You want to be Trace? I will kill you. April Fool. This is us suspended forever. Out of here. We're having a big party to this time. Out of here. Out of here. You're suspended like a frick. Have a bad spring break too. Oh, I'm going there. I'm going to call Nanny and she's going to hear it. No. I'm going to tell the principal officer. Where's the principal right now? Na, you can't be mine, don't manga. Da 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 da. This is getting serious. The only soldier. Anyway. Okay. Look at all this. I'm trying. I told you to shut. I'm good. It's not. What? Hey. You stay in the cluster and never escape. I'm gonna check when it's on off. I'm gonna go to the gotcha club at school. What's going on? Oh, gotcha club. Is there an announcement? Why it's wrong? We're having a big party. Get out of here. Right. The challenge is a monster. I take point to my girlfriend. And just says that's a big sussy. I was just change point to my girlfriend. I was gonna say yes. Ding 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 ding. And it says it's a big sus. Ah! Get back here. This is the worst day ever in my life.
Okay.
He's so funny. Ooh. Down. Silly laughing. Hey, look, I have some pennies. Do you want? I smell pennies. And look, I have pennies. And look who we have. And look who has here. And look at all these scratches. And look at ready to go.
Finally, now I can keep these pennies to myself. What the hell?
Oh my God!
I smell pennies! Finally, now I can keep these pennies to
This is
myself.
getting ah! Oh my goodness, is this a penny? Oh my goodness, get it out! Get the heck out of me! Oh, okay, that's enough. That's enough, guys. Okay, it's over, guys. It's time to go to the science. The science is over, and everything is gone. I had enough of parties. That's it. And also, ooh, yeah, you're gonna. You freaking idiot jerks, brats. You freaking idiot jerk and brats. I hate you. You're sucked in a you beat nigga and racist. First thing, you are racist. Why would you say the freaking N-word? You know it's the worst of ways. Shut up, man. I can do whatever the hell I want. I can do whatever I want. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Stop cheating on me. Stop. Ah, stop it. Oh. When we get back, I will send you to the principal office again. I will send you to the principal office. When we get back, I will send you to the principal office. When we get, I will punch you in the face. The wire PE, I will call your mama. To send, or your daddy. I will call your parents. So go to PE. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. And don't ever come back in this grade. In the school again. Cause I'm gonna call your parents. Ooh. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun, dun 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 dun, dun dun dun. my god! That's the worst day ever in my life. What is that song? Oh my god, it's the song I watched today, Dad. Oh my goodness, there's all the players in the city. Guys, ready, ready. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be na 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 and with da 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 Dun 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 dun. Oh my goodness, my bees! Woohoo! Woohoo! This is serious at all. Oh, this is so serious. And also, I look at all these celebrations and woo! Oh my God, it's a celebration! You're single base. Repeat. You see? Then you're going back out of here. Then you're still getting out of here. Woo! Oh my God, a good day ever in my life. We like being in the hospital. We have the basketball. It's time to get ready for the basketball. Just get to my Mr. City ready. We're gonna go to basketball. I can't wait for basketball. Go look get a hoop. Watch. Oh, that's a serious A. Here goes our basketball. Yes, come on. Okay. Yay! That's a basketball hoop. Yeah! Ooh!
What the hell?
Dun 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 dun. Here. And ready for all those? Anyway, get this plane ready. Oh! This is going. Do. What is going on? What the heck is going on here? What the heck?
la app de Remitly y envía dinero.
Like, what the heck is it? Hell you! You're going to hell! And all the time, like, what the hell? What the?
Al extranjero, a bancos y lugares de retiro que confías.
You know, instead of beep, I will kill you! I'm gonna kill you on a This is super serious. I will see what I'm going to play, the flipping basketball player. Am I good at basketball? Hell yes, guys. Hell yes. Let me see if I can get in the hoop this time. Why are you guys watching me? This is not a right lane to watch me, guys. I got your life. Shut up. I will burn. Good. Enough. God, dude. Good dang it. Nope, no, I can't do this. Give me the basketball. I'll be out of here. So many people. Too many people. Go sit in the bench. And both of you go to the. Get back here. Get back that out of here. Get out of here. Oh, way. You're out. Woo! And look at all those defeats. We'll get ready for. Yeah. But we're not gonna get all the kids here. Oh, that's so bad. This is serious. You have to watch this. Ah! Better. I will kill you. That scared me. That really scared me. So badly. I don't know. Anyway, it scared me like Jesus Christ. What the heck is... I don't even know what the heck is that sound for. Stop it. Stop it. You're grounded. I was the one. Ha ha. I was the one. Ha ha. Guess what? Go to the principal's right now. I'm getting out of here. I'm already gonna get out of here. Get out of the PE gym. I will kill you. I will seriously get the rose out of here. No, I will kill you out of here. Y-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A. Stop pressing an alarm. Yeah, that's what you get. That's very scary. Me, huh? Get out of here! Y-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A. Guys, win! Jude. I'm tired of making this. Hurry up, pull the music. I don't want to. Come on. Come on. Hurry. No! I don't even know what you're talking about. Come on, hurry up. Send him to the police like this. I don't know how to send him to the police. You know, I'm making this as Mr. Buzzword. Yeah, I don't care. April Fools. Yelling at the school. Purposely yelling at the school. Yelling at the all the way down to school really hurts my ears. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ooh, got the stomach. What are you doing, my bro? What are you doing to my principal office? Get out of here! Jesus Christ. Jesus stupid Christ. Jesus freaking Christ. I deleted the test because I deleted it because I have to, and I'm sorry. And I pressed the alarm at school. I pressed the fire alarm at PE. And misbehaved at PE. I'm sorry for missing out, and because it was April Fool's prank. Oh yeah! That's it. You're so grilled. But go out here. Get out of here now. Cause you're out of here forever. A. Oh, I hate those rats. Dun. Woohoo! We had to go to summer vacation. God, I had something. I have to do something. Forgot about it. Guys, I forgot about it. Oh, I forgot something. Have a bad spring break. You too, bad. When they're still at school. Yay! Let's go home. Yeah, thank goodness. Bye. Please, good Lord. Yeah, have a good day. Have a good spring break. Bye. Have all good spring break. I'm very good at basketball. What's a hoop? Yeah. I'm gonna move an idea. Oh yeah. That's it. You're grounded. That's it. You're grounded for 900. Yeah. Until school starts again. That's it. Yeah. And also, we're just feeling better. So get out of my house. You're banned from my house forever. I hate you now. Get out. Y-A-A-A-A. Oh, I'm not gonna see you in spring break. Bye. No. Oh my God. This is the worst spring break ever. Spring break. Wow. Elderly. God. dun 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 dun. Out of here. I got an idea. I had to do something with someone else, then I will do it to you. Game over. Rosas, I'll be a D. Dun 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 dun. Rosas, I'll be the D. Dun 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 dun. Rosas, I'll be the D. Dun 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 dun. Rosas ability. Dun 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 dun. Rosas ability. Dun 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 dun. Game over.
Staying up all night and you're focused. I'll be up all night, but
Na 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 do 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 na 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 na. Good freaking bye.